unboxing of an item that I paid a pretty penny for. This is basically, I think, a $400 battery. Retail price $399.99. A black box my car charges, I believe, $370 on it. BlackVue Power Magic Ultra Battery B-130X, 7500 milliamp hours or 96 watt hours at 12.8 volts. The input can be up to 13 amps max, 11 to 18 volts. And that's close enough. As you can see. So this completes the cable connector.
Responses push things back up, and you can more. In and out recession for.
So I will commence installation of the Viofo A139 Pro 4K camera. One of the things I had to do to get this done was install the hard disk. My high endurance one isn't here yet, so I installed a non-high endurance. First step is I'm gonna have to power it up, see the optimum location to install it. In order to do that, I also installed the CPL, the polarizer.
Recording. 2 channels started. Wi-Fi enabled.
I have already installed the app into my iPhone, so hopefully it should connect quickly. 5G. It's making me go through the whole. Yeah, here it is.
Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, so now I should be able to. Okay, here it is. So as you can see, it connects quickly. So it's all like that. You see, camera facing outwards. This section right here are sensors for this auto dimming mirror, I believe, so I can't attach anywhere to here. So unfortunately, I have to attach it fairly low on the windshield glass. Can't install in here. From the driver's side, you don't want obstruction, so I don't want to have to see the camera from the driver's side. So in each case, this close to center as I can, while not interfering with. It's going to be about like that, right? Approximately right there. So the next step, some rubbing alcohol, like so. Take this microfiber, wipe it as much as I can, and I'm gonna try one of these appliques. First, peel off this mask before application. Apply it approximately where. Off this after application is completed. So maybe the day's heat will take care of the rest. It's actually pretty hot already. We want it going like this, don't we? Without problems. I had decided to. So now this is live. 1,000, 2, 3, 1,004. Now let's look at the view here. Move the camera. This is the part I'm going to be doing a lot of tucking. So I'm going to do some tucking device. Camera is the rear camera. And it kind of needs to go something like that. And I shall tuck this bastard into what they're doing, if I can. This SRS bag, but this, I was curious how much trouble this section will be. Right into the trim nicely. Tuck it just enough to around this airbag was the toughest. Then is there it is. Now I'm past all the airbags. I'd like to try to tuck that into this. Looks like that. Okay. No audio being recorded. So that's it. And then when I turn off the car, the camera turns off.